Good morning. We welcome you once again to our today's class. Tunawakaribisha tena leo kwa darasa letu. And today we are going to learn about the ordinal numbers. Last time we started talking in lesson 3 about the cardinal numbers. And we said that the cardinal numbers or the cardinal number answers the question how many. Cardinal number inakuwa na jibu swali ngapi. It answers the question how many. For example, I can ask how many children do you have? And then you can tell me, for example, I have 5 children. So that 5 is a cardinal number. Or I have 10 children. For example, how many phones do you have? And then say, I have 1 phone. How many cameras do you have? I have 1 camera. How many computers do you have? For example, you can say, I have 6 computers. So you see, 6 is a cardinal number. 5 is a cardinal number. Cardinal numbers, they are the ones that we learned last time. Cardinal numbers ni hizo tulizojifunza muda uliopita. Because if I remember well, kama nakumbuka vizuri, last time we learned how to count from 0 to 1 trillion. Tulijifunza namna ya kuhesabu kuanzia 1 mpaka trillions. So we went like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 100, 1000. All those numbers are cardinal numbers. But today we are focusing on ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers tell how many, but ordinal numbers tells the position. Ordinal numbers are used to tell the position of object placed in a particular order. So that is ordinal numbers. Now, if we want to say these ordinal numbers or to count, we can go like first, second, third, fourth, and so forth. So these are ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers, they are 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinal numbers, first, second, third. Let me give you this one example for you to understand. Acha nikukabidhi mfano mwingine ili uelewe. For example, I can say, I have 5 children. Nina watoto 5. 5 children. The first one, wa kwanza. Unaona wa kwanza inakuwa ordinal number. The first one is a doctor. The second one is a nurse. The third one is a teacher. The fourth one is maybe, let me say, is a carpenter or a carpenter. The fifth one is still a student. The fifth one is still a student. You see, I have 5 children. 5 is cardinal number. But when I say, wakati nasema, the first one is a doctor. First, wa kwanza ni ordinal number. So now, how do we count in ordinal numbers? We go like first, second, third, na kuendelea. But what is always difficult for people, for learners, is to count from 1 up to 3. From first up to third. Ninaweza kukusii, I will just request you to memorize from first up to third. Umemorize tu kuanzia kwa hiyo ya kwanza mpaka ya 3. Because if you manage to memorize from first up to third, mengine yote yatakuwa rahisi. Kwa cardinal numbers, what we call 1, in ordinal numbers we call it first. What we call 2, in ordinal numbers we call it second. What we call 3, in ordinal numbers we call it So now let us go with ordinal numbers. First, you go after me. First, you repeat after me. First, wa kwanza. Second, wa pili. Third, wa tatu. Fourth, fifth. So ukifanyikiwa ukifaulu first mpaka third, ukifaulu sabia kuanzia wa kwanza mpaka wa tatu, mengine yote yamekuwa rahisi. First, kwa kuiabbreviate tunaandika 1 kisha tunatia nyuma st, tunaita first. Kwa kuabbreviate second tunaandika 2, nyuma tunaandika nd. Kwa kuabbreviate third, we write 3 and then behind that is nyuma, behind we put 3d. So wakati unafika ku fourth unakuwa unachukua tu 4 unaongeza th and we read it fourth. Unaendelea fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, unaendelea to 12th, 13th mpaka ku 99 na I mean 19th. Unapofika ku 19th, 20 hautasema 20th. Unapofika ku 20 unaongeza kila hiyo cardinal number inaisha na y, unakuwa unaongeza, unatosha ile y unaongeza ieth, na hapo nasoma 20th or 20th. But ukiendelea 21 huko utasema, utasema 20th one, utasema 21st, unarudilia tena mwanzo pale ku 21 kuitia ordinal number inakuwa 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, unaendelea tu. Ukifika tena ku 30 or 30 kwa juu inaisha na y, unatosha ile y unatia ieth, unaanza 31st, sorry, 30th, then 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 34th na kuendelea. Ukifika ku 50 the same, because inaisha na wewe unatosha wewe unatia ieth, February 1st, February 2nd, February 3rd and so on. So mpaka mwisho. It is very easy. We use these ordinal numbers in so many things. Tunatumikisha mambo mengi, and when we are also telling dates, writing dates, reading dates, we use ordinal numbers. We don't use the cardinal numbers. Don't say that today is 21 January. But you will say today is 21st January. 21st. We use the ordinal number. That is the place, the order. 21st January. So these are ordinal numbers. Let us pass to our second point. In this second point, we are going to talk about the days of the week. And before we talk about the days of the week, I want someone, kabla tujongelea the days of the week, nahitaji mtu mmoja anipatie mfano moja akitumia cardinal number, na ngine mfano, ngine msemo akitumia ordinal number. Let me give you my sentence, and then you also will give me your sentence using the cardinal number and ordinal number. My first sentence is this: I will buy 10 phones, or I will buy 10 trousers. You see, that's 10 is a cardinal number. So let me then go to ordinal number. Let me make a sentence with ordinal number. I was the first to reach here, or the first person to live in the world was Adam. Mtu wa kwanza wa kuishi duniani, the first man, the first person to live that is to kuishi, okay, or to stay, to live, to dwell. The first person to live in the world that is dunia, the world. The first person to live in the world was Adam. Mtu wa kwanza, the first person. So the second person to live in the world was Eve. So you see, I've given you my examples, my sentences. So I want you also to give me your sentences in the comment section. So let us pass to the second point. And here we are learning the days of the week. The days of the week. Let me ask you a question. How many days do we have in a week? Or we have how many? You remember the question word, how many? This person wants to know the number. How many days do we have in a week? You know the meaning of days. Siku, week, juma. So, mujuma tuna masiku mangapi? How many days do we have in a week? You answer me. Right. The week, or in a week, we have 7 days. In a week, we have 7 days. Here are the 7 days of the week. Here are the 7 days of the week. Monday. You repeat after me. Monday. Again, Monday is the first day of the week. Monday is the first day of the week. When I say is the first day of the week, I believe that you understand me because we have already started the ordinal numbers. Monday, you repeat, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Sunday is the last or the seventh day of the week. Wow. So these are our 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You memorize that, you repeat that and memorize that. You'll be going like, uwe nafanya hivi. Monday is the second day of the week. No, it's the first. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Yeah, you memorize them like this and hiyo itakusaidia. We memorize just hivyo na hapo itakuwa vema. So, thank you. For example, let me make one example or one sentence using these days of the week. I work from Monday to Friday. I work from Monday to Friday. Natumika kuanzia siku ya kwanza hadi siku ya tano. I work from Monday to Friday. I am free on Saturday and Sunday. I work from Monday to Friday. I am free on Saturday and Sunday. I am free. Why? I am free on Saturday and Sunday because I don't work on Saturday and on Sunday. Our next lesson is on Wednesday. Our next lesson is on Wednesday. Another example. Saturday is his favorite day of the week because he plays football. Let me repeat it slowly so that you can understand the meaning of this. Saturday is his favorite day of the week because he plays football. Means he plays football on Saturday. That's why this Saturday is his favorite day of the week. Another example. The meeting is on Thursday at 30 minutes plus 10 or at 10 a.m. The meeting is on Thursday. The meeting is on Thursday at 10 a.m. Another example. We've got an appointment on Tuesday morning. We've got an appointment on Tuesday morning. We have got an appointment on Tuesday morning. It means on Tuesday we will have the appointment. As you can see, we often use on before the days of the week. On before the days of the week. You don't on Tuesday, I will go there on Tuesday. I will see you on Saturday. So we use the preposition that we use when we talk about the days of the week. We use the preposition on. I will visit you on Sunday. I will go to church on Monday and on Tuesday. So these are our 7 days of the week. So now let us try to talk about the months of the year. The months of the year. So let me ask you a question. How many months do we have in a year? You know the meaning of months. Months hizo tunaita miezi wala mwezi moja. Year, this is mwaka. So how many months do we have in a year? How many months do we have in a year? I think your answer is, na mimi jibu lako ni, in a year we have 12 months. In a year we have 12 months. So you repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are our 12 months of a year. Let us repeat. January is the first month of the year. February is the second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. May is the fifth month of the year. June is the sixth month of the year. July is the seventh month of the year. August is the 8th month of the year. September is the 9th month of the year. October is the 10th month of the year. November is the 11th month of the year. December is the 12th month of the year. December is the 12th month of the year. So let me ask you a question, and you're going to answer me in the comment section. Utajibu, weka jibu yako in comment section. Let me ask you, in which months were you born? In which months were you born? To be born, that is kuzaliwa. So in which months were you born? I want to know the month that you were born. Your birth months. Thank you. So With this, what we have read, we have studied already. We have learned about the ordinal numbers. We have learned the days of the week. We have also studied the months of the year. So now, congratulations. You are now able to write the dates in English. You are now able to read the date in English and to tell the date in English, because you have everything that you need to write and to tell the date in English. You have already cardinal numbers. These cardinal numbers will help you to tell the year or the years in the date. I'm talking about the dates. The days of the week are there already. The months of the year will help you to talk about the months. Ordinal numbers will help you to talk about to tell the date, so and so on. So, for example, you can say today is 1st January 2025. Tomorrow will be 2nd January 2025. So you see, it is very easy now to write the dates and to read the dates. So in British English, the date usually begins with the day, after the day, the months. But in America, or in American English, the month is normally the 1st. This is also true when we abbreviate a date into 3 numbers. For example, 1st December 2017 becomes, you see here down, 1st December 2017 in British. But in American English, they start from the month December 1st, 2017. So, thank you so much for watching this episode. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed.